Somewhere out there, there's an aspiring motorcyclist looking to find a bike of their own. And who knows? Maybe they're looking for one with 3 wheels, with a reverse gear and a trailer hitch added to it. Like this 2006 Harley Heritage Softail Deluxe. I'm Dan Fisher, and this is Inside Drive.
And your full name is?
Brian Reilly, and this is my '06 Heritage Softail with reverse in the transmission. It's got the Voyager kit. It's got a hitch, boom audio. A lot of love went into the bike, but it's time to move it on.
How long have you had it?
About 5 years, and I've only put 3,000 miles because I have 3 other Harleys.
And, what do you like about it for as long as you've ridden it?
Well, I didn't ride it that much. My wife likes the electric glides and the tour glides better. So I thought it was what I wanted to bring me into retirement, but I can still ride 2 wheels. I took it to the Iron Horse over in Daytona, and it's like this. So they don't let trikes in, but I showed them the reverse, because normally it takes 6 guys to push a trike out of the parking space. I just clicked it in reverse and backed right out of there.
Yeah. And for as long as you've had it, what's your favorite part of the bike? Is it the styling, the performance?
The reverse.
The reverse. You don't see very many of these ones either, because a lot of times, obviously, bikes are two-wheeled.
And this actually is 4. They left the drive wheel.
When the time comes, when you get it sold, what are you going to miss the most about it?
Well, the other bikes are 2-wheel, and this is a twin cam, and I'm an Evo guy. All 3 of my other Harleys are Evolution motors, so that's what I like. I get in trouble with twin cams. I had an '03 Road King, and I totaled it. But I'm still walking, but I spent a year on crutches.
Yeah. Well, so long as there's still roads out there, there's plenty of riding, and you got plenty of bikes for it.
Thank you.